Welcome to one more tutorial. On this tutorial we will be learning about the warp option. These 6 pumpkins are not designed one by one. Actually, I just designed one and used the warp effect to create 5 more versions. But if you're also interested in the pumpkin design, I got a tutorial for you and the link is on the video description. Alright, let's get started. Just copy it, move it with holding Alt and Shift. I will grab the copy, go to Effect and choose the warp option. As you can see, there is plenty effects on the warp option. You can also find all the warp effects here, but at the start I will choose the arch effect. Here you can choose how you like the effect to affect vertically or horizontally. Based on this pumpkin design, the best will be to choose horizontally. Now I will play with the bend slide. I will avoid using the horizontal slide because if I move this slide, it will play with the effect horizontally, and for this design I do not need that. But definitely I will need the vertical slide. Alright, I think this looks good, so I will just hit OK and go to Object and expand the effect. Here I will also do some manual scaling so the pumpkin can look better. Now I will do the same, copy it, go to Effect, Warp and choose a different warp effect. Okay, I chose a shell upper. I will just play around with the bend slide and with the vertical slide. Okay, I will choose another warp effect. I will go with the fish effect. It made a mess because if you can see on the icon, the fish is horizontal. I have to switch it vertically so the pumpkin can look natural. Now this looks kind of funny. Okay, let's try the vertical slide. Now it looks better. Okay, let's try a new effect. Now I will go with the inflate effect. And look at that, a square pumpkin. Once I expand the square pumpkin, I will do the effect on it. With the warp effect, the sky is our limit. We can do effect on effect and come up with a multiple version with only creating one design. Alright guys, this was the warp effect. I'm not just using this option to create multiple versions for my designs. Sometimes I use it to create shapes, and for the text effects is pretty useful. But when it comes to making different versions, let me show you how I designed only 2 pumpkins, and from those 2 pumpkins I made 12 versions. Of course I did 12 different handles in order the pumpkin to look unique. I have sold this pumpkin collection on the stock market, on FreePick, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. One day I would love to do a tutorial on how I'm setting my stock art, but we will leave that for another time. Alright guys, that was it. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button, and if you like to see more of me, subscribe on my channel. Wish you happy designing. Cheers.